After all of those laughter from the shorts, after watching the woman eat the spider alive in dipping sauce, and by the way, I couldn't find the volume to adjust properly with the voice and the background of the video. So I don't know if the viewers heard what I was trying to say. The lady's language sound like Cambodian. That's what I try to say. Anyway, so back to our regular scheduled program. So I brought up this article, right? Because I when I read when I looked at it, I said to myself, um, who is who's PayPal's who's PayPal's partner? I want to see who's PayPal partners are. PayPal's partners, and I want to also see who the Visa partner is. Right? That's allowing them to do all of this stuff because we see what's going on with the SEC. We see the utility of XRP. We see the utility of the blockchain, right? We hear and see John Deaton, the XRP lawyer for Ripple, in the court against the SEC. We hear him say, if XRP should lose the battle against the SEC in the court, then what? What him say? Then XRP will continue to do business outside of America. So here we are on PayPal's providing cross-border remittances. And we know that this is the nature of XRP and XLM and all of the bank coin them. So this article is coming from newsroom.paypalcorp.com. It was written on the 12th of January 2023. Minusino Arta. So the heading goes like this. PayPal Xoom service expand debit card deposit feature to include cross-border remittances. So Xoom's debit card deposit feature enabled by Visa Direct offers customers a way to send money in real time to their friends and families eligible Visa debit cards in 25 countries. So Xoom, PayPal's international money transfer service, today announced that it has launched a new cross-border money transfer product. And if you haven't heard of Xoom or ever used Xoom, I can tell you that it's a good thing for use. It's a good piece of app for use. I used it before. I use it many times, actually. And when I send money to my family, they receive it in hours instead of days. But still, XRP is fast. You can receive that in seconds. Anyway, but there's a reason why I'm bringing you this story today, right? I want to show you who Xoom is partner with, who PayPal is partner with, and which system is PayPal running off of. Okay. Actually, instead of hours, I mentioned hours that my family would receive anything that I sent them through Xoom in hours. They receive it in minutes, but the actual money itself, because it's going from one bank account to another bank account, basically. So picture email, picture when you send an email transfer. Basically, that's the same time. You go straight to their bank account. So Xoom, PayPal's international money transfer service, today announced that it has launched a new cross-border money transfer product, debit card deposit, enabling Xoom customers in the US to send money directly to their friends and families. Eligible Visa debit cards in 25 countries, launched in collaboration with Visa. The new feature will offer remittance receivers easy, secure and real-time access to funds, which are sent directly to participants' eligible Visa debit card. So Zoom debit card deposit feature first launched in 2020 for US domestic money transfer, and new cross-border expansion increased the ability for international recipients to easily and quickly access funds sent from friends and family in the US. Wire transfer are a common method of sending bank remittances. However, these can take up to 5 business days or longer, especially cross-border. With the Zoom debit card deposit functionality, recipients have access to use those funds typically within minutes. However, they need such as paying bills or buying groceries through their eligible debit card. So, quote, we know that getting funds quickly and easily is important for many of our customers, which is especially true around the winter months and the holidays when people are sending money to their friends and family around the globe, said Waylin Lee, president of Remittances PayPal. This expansion through our partnership with Visa will help more customers around the world get a fast and convenient way to access funds needed for everyday essentials. So there's an ever increasing need for digital solutions that help remove barriers for those looking to send money to friends and family across borders, said Yanalisa Gonzalez, Senior Vice President of Head of Visa Direct North America. Through this extended collaboration between Visa and PayPal, Zoom's debit card deposit will enhance cross-border money movement with the real-time payment capabilities offered through Visa Direct. So Zoom's debit card deposit feature is now available in the following 25 markets: Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Costa Rica, Croatia, Czech Republic, Great Britain, Greece, Guatemala, Hungary. I'm trying my best not to say Hungary. Indonesia, Israel, Italy, Jamaica, Lithuania, Malaysia, Pakistan, Philippines, Romania, Singapore, Slovakia, Spain, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Ukraine, and Vietnam. Debit card deposit will continue to roll out across additional markets in 2023. So with Zoom, customer can access a fast, reliable, and affordable way to send money. All right. They keep emphasizing the same point. So let's go down to I guess that's the end of the let's read the conclusion. A pioneer in digital remittances, Zoom is a fast and convenient way to send money, pay bills, and reload phones for loved ones in over 160 markets globally. These remittances serve as a lifeline for many people around the world and are used to pay for things like utility bills, healthcare, education costs, and emergencies. PayPal and Zoom offer fast and innovative payments options for customers to send money across borders by going online or using a mobile device. These options seek to improve the financial health of millions of our customers worldwide. So I read that to say, let's go to the next one. So Zoom partners with Ria, and this is a article that goes far back. Okay, not far back, but about 3 years ago. All right, almost 5 years ago. But still, look at the title. It says this. Actually, before we look at the title, let's go to where this article is coming from. It's coming from businesswire.com. Want to give people them credit. Me just a read and I talk and I'll let you know what I think about what I'm reading. All right, I am not copywriting or infringing on anybody's right. You hear me? I say. Anyway, so Zoom partners with Ria money transfer to accelerate global expansion in 86 countries. Remember Ria? We know where Ria is. Ria is another remittance technology, another bank technology, fintech. PayPal's international remittance provider to serve over 130 countries globally through new collaboration. These words are tiny. So I'm guessing the green on this map here represents Xoom, where Xoom is at, right? As you can see, is look at that though. If all right, so if you guys were actually following my channel and other people who speak the truth channel, you would know that most America is the one that's blocking XRP. America is blocking XRP from thriving because so-called regulation. People are starving around the world, and America is saying, no, you can't initiate this innovation because we don't understand it. Okay, this innovation can help a lot of poor people around the world. So this is the reason why the world is moving forward with this technology and bypassing what America is saying. So you can see anywhere that America owns is blocked out. Anywhere that America influence is blue. All the blue is where America more so have influences. Okay? More so. But check that out. In any situation that XRP, XLM is bank coins are doing business and signing deals and partnerships, you would never see it in America. You will see it in spots around the globe, and then a big gap would be in America. So this tells me that Ria is in partnership with Ripple. But I'm going to show you. But let's talk about the partnership that Ria have with Xoom. We talk about the partnership that Xoom have. Xoom and PayPal is the same. Xoom is PayPal's remittance services. We talked about the partnership that PayPal have with Visa to make it more, I guess they want to use Visa as an ODL, an online liquidity, right? Where them have money accessible whenever them ready. This is what make this system, the idea of the system, sufficient. Still need the technology though. So let's dive into the article. Xoom partners with Ria Money Transfer to accelerate global expansion in 86 countries. So August 28th, this article was written, 2018, at around 12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. San Jose, California, Business Wire, Y-I-R-E, not the other wire we have issues right now. Xoom, PayPal's international money transfer service, today announced a partnership with Ria, a subsidiary of Euronet, worldwide and global leader in money remittances, to offer Xoom customers cash pickup service at more than 150,000 Ria's international network locations. Through this partnership, Xoom is significantly increasing its presence in Eastern Europe and Africa, so customers in the United States can now send money to 70% of countries around the world by simply going online or using a mobile phone. But too bad that service is not available in America. Actually, I think the service is the service should be available in America, you know, because all I heard about Xoom is from a family member that sent me the link, and that person is in America. So I think Xoom is operational in America. But me don't know. I don't know, because this was actually before. So I'm twisting myself. Now here I am twisting myself. I'm in a bunch right now because this is actually before the SEC took Ripple to court. So this data here, if this was accurate with geographical data, maybe I am off when it comes to pinpointing. But if I was to see this at first glance and say, what, Ria and everywhere else but America, they have to have partnership with Ripple, I would say that. So, quote, with this expansion, Zoom now offers service to over 130 countries globally, including many countries that have limited access to digital remittances services. These customers now have a fast, secure, reliable, and convenient way to send money to loved ones around the world. So, partnering with Ria allows us to grow our. So, this is a quote. Partnering with Ria allows us to grow our global footprint and significantly expand our services in the African diaspora and across Eastern Europe, which is a tremendous landmark for Zoom, said Julian King, Zoom's vice president and general manager. With this expansion, Zoom now offers service to over 130 countries globally, including many countries that have limited access to digital remittances services. These customers now have a fast, secure, reliable, and convenient way to send money to loved ones around the world. We're still quoting. Ria has developed an extensive physical network and a best-in-class compliance program and cutting-edge technology, added Julian Bianchi, president and CEO of Ria. Ria's partnership with Zoom is another great example of how Euronet's core assets can help other fintech and payment companies enhance their value positions and accelerate their speed to market in our fast-paced industry. You know what came to mind? That's end quote. What came to mind to me a while ago was, can you imagine? Because Stellar is partnered with Wire. And we all heard at the beginning of the year, Wire announced that it was going to go bankrupt because just they have no money on their books. And I've heard rumor a while ago. I can't claim if this is facts or not. I have to see the article to know, right? But apparently Stellar, and this is just rumors, apparently Stellar is gonna bail out Wire. Because Wire is very important. Wire connect all of the Latin countries. And if we're talking about Ria and Zoom, who is in most of the Latin countries, as you can see on the map up here, so right? So in all of the Latin country, them, can you imagine that connection? Can you imagine that partnership with Stella, with Stella and Wire? Stellar, go ahead. We don't want this to be a rumor. Let it be true. Bail out Wire. We need that connection with Wire and Zoom and Ria, if they're not already connected already. All right, let's continue. All right, so we don't wanna talk about the expansion. Let me see what else about Ria. All right, we're gonna give a little bit about. We're going to talk about PayPal. I don't think people need to know about no PayPal. Ria. All right. Let's talk about the significance of if. Let's read it and understand the significance that if Stellar was to partner with one of these guys, Ria or PayPal, with along with Wire. So Wire, if Wire YIRE was to partner with one of these guys, because Wire is running off of the Stellar blockchain. So anyway, fueled by fundamental belief that having access to financial service create opportunity, PayPal is committed to democratizing financial services and empowering people and businesses to join and thrive in the global economy. Our open digital payments platform gives PayPal's 244 million active account holders the confidence to connect and transact in new and powerful ways, whether they're online, on a mobile device, in an app, or in person. Though, in combination with technology innovation and strategic partnerships, PayPal creates better ways to manage and move money and offers choice and flexibility when sending payments, paying or getting paid. Available in more than 200 markets around the world, the PayPal platform, including Braintree, Venmo, and Xoom, enables customers and merchants to receive money in more than 100 currencies, withdraw funds in 56 currencies, and hold balances in their PayPal accounts in 25 currencies. For more information on PayPal, visit the PayPal account website at www.paypal.com. Blase. So anyway, about Ria. Ria is a subsidiary of Euronet Worldwide, Inc. Is a global leader in money remittances. Ria offers fast, secure, affordable money transfers through a network of approximately 355,000 global agents spanning 150 countries and online at riamoneytransfer.com. The company is steadfast in its commitment to its customers and remains ingrained within the communities in which they live. For more information, you can go ahead and check out the corporate website at www.corporate.riafinancial.com. Bam. Let's move over to the next article. So I pulled this up and it's another article from 2018, right? And this is coming to us from Payments, PYMNTS, written on August 2018. Okay, so PayPal's Xoom Euronet reappear on remittances. Let's read. PayPal has increased its foothold in Eastern Europe and Africa and has boosted its presence in the global remittance market through a new partnership agreement. I don't want to reread what we just read a while ago. And you know, this article, this one that I was supposed to show, it was supposed to show Ria's dealings with Ripple. So Ria partner with Ripple. I guess I clicked on the other article there to basically show that it was a true thing. But let's show you the exact article that I wanted to show you more than one example when I clicked on that second article there. But last night I was putting all of this together and trust me, I tell you, say I went to the hospital, you know, and the doctor tell me, say, I have stools built up around my stomach. And if you guys don't know what stools is or are, it's when you're basically constipated, or you know, and your body's not eliminating properly. So it's like a start give you back pain, stomach pain, bladder pain, headache, sometimes frustration, and just irritable, very irritable. So I went to the hospital and they prescribed me a medication that I took, and trust me, it's not funny, but it's funny. So it's one of them thing there. Last night I was preparing this article, the bunch of articles to read today, and basically to show my point of all of this that's going on with PayPal and Xoom and Ria is running off of XRP, right? Because PayPal sign up with Ria to make their system more advanced and true and scalable. Ria is partnered with Ripple, right? So of course, when I saw that geographical map there, I was like, "Oh, America, Navi." So that means our Ripple, right? But anyway, the article with the language in the article kind of twist it up and make it seem like me an idiot. But anyway, I can just take it and move. Let me continue with this article because we don't want this to go past 30 minutes. You see it. So anyway, Ripple. This article is coming from ripple.com insight/Ripple partners /Ripple-partners. So ripple.com /insight/Ripple -partners. Ripple partners with Ria money transfer to power instant global payments. And this article is coming from Ripple team, and it was written in May 1st, 2019. When did Ria and PayPal sign their agreement? They signed their agreement in 2018. Ria and Ripple signed their agreement in when? Let's see if this date makes sense. So Ria Money Transfer, a subsidiary Euronet Worldwide, has joined RippleNet to enable instant blockchain-powered global payments. With customers in over 155 countries, more than 377,000 locations worldwide, and $40 billion in money transfer volume per year, Ria is one of the largest payment service providers in the world. By joining RippleNet's network of 200 plus financial institutions worldwide, and 200 plus grew from 2019 to 500 plus now. Worldwide, Ria can settle transactions with increased speed, transparency, and efficiency to deliver a better experience to their customers. More specifically, Ripple's technology will enable new end-to-end tracking, better visibility into fees, estimate, delivery time, and status, complementing Ria's transparency and reliability for the end users. So we quote here, at Ria, we have developed the second largest money transfer network in the world, along with the best-in-class compliance program, all connected by our proprietary technology, added Julian Bianchi. We talked about this guy already. CEO and of Euronet's money transfer segment. Ria's integration with Ripple serves to build rails for an innovative payments infrastructure that seek to provide easier access to potential partners while delivering fast and cleaner payments to its users. Time is a vital currency for our customers and partners, so we always keep it at center of our innovation effort. I read it like that so you can hear what I say. Ripple and Ria are partners in 2023. Same way to them. You can go up on the website and show you. Ria is partner with Xoom, PayPal, and Xoom PayPal is partnered with Visa. Come on now, guys. They have to go around in circles because of the SEC. They can't just come out and say, oh, we're partnering with Ripple through Ria. They have to say Ria, Xoom, PayPal, Visa, but no Ripple inside. Additional, through Euronet's state-of-the-art digital integrated payments cloud, RippleNet customers will gain new access to Ria's global fintech ecosystem, enabling cross-border payments both ways. Quote, this partnership will enable Ripple to expand the reach and solutions for our partners and the overall banking ecosystem. Ria is one of the top money transfer players in the industry, with the second largest network in the world, and is known for its world-class service. By joining RippleNet, Ria not only enhance our value chain for our partners, but will continue to improve remittance times and costs for both their customer and enterprise clients, added Marcus Tresher, SVP of Customer Success Ripple. Not only does this new partnership with Ria expand the global footprint of RippleNet, it also enables faster, lower-cost payments to millions around the world. I just had a thought that came to mind as I was reading this, and I was saying, what better source is it? What better source is out there to get this article from other than the horse's mouth itself? Right? Right off of ripple.com website we're reading this from, guys. Okay? So, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to show you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're almost at 30 minutes. So thank you guys for tuning in and taking your time to listen to me prove to you that Ripple is growing and advancing. So while you can did a look on the price and I say, man, Ripple is really cheap right now. I can literally spend a couple $100 and get a couple thousand coins, a couple thousand shares right now. Nah, I'm not going to do it. But this is not financial advice. It's up to you if you want to do it. Just a show to say. And I'm showing you the fast and the rate of how this digital economy is emerging upon us. And most of us can't see it because we don't read This is why reading is fundamental. So like, share, subscribe, guy. Take care.